we're back at it again with another unpackaging. So just gonna rip it up on the side. There's a lot more in this one. I'm so excited.
Wow!
Oh my gosh, guys. Romance Untold keychain. All of Enha. Jake 1. Jake 2. Isngi. Jake 1 and Jake 2. No way! No way! I'm really hoping that the other Jake ones may show up, but they may not. But yes, I am unhinged, and I know for a fact stuff on AliExpress will go out of print. So yes, I bought doubles this time. I bought doubles of the Jake ones. Oh my gosh! I wasn't sure how good this one would turn out. I thought I got 2 of these, but I guess not. Which is all of Enha. And then one of these. I'm so excited! Oh my gosh, I got Jakey! They have like the Sanrio backing, and it's just so cute. I'm so happy. So yeah, I got memorabilia and Romance Untold because that's what they have right now. I'm so happy. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. I hope you have a wonderful time of day or night that you're seeing this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!